Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about insects and bugs. Bedbug, bedbug, ladybug, ladybug, butterfly, butterfly, honeybee, honeybee, beetle, beetle, ant, ant, stick bug, stick bug, bumblebee, bumblebee, lice, lice, green fly, green fly, tick, tick, cricket, cricket, grub, grub, plant bug, plant bug, stink bug, stink bug, cockroach, cockroach, hornet, hornet, fly, fly, moth, moth, dragonfly, dragonfly, grasshopper, grasshopper, termite, termite, spider, spider, flea, flea, fruit fly, fruit fly, mosquito, mosquito, scorpion, scorpion, caterpillar, caterpillar, firefly, firefly, snail, snail, earthworm, earthworm, mantis, mantis, leech, leech. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.